Hello friends, I am going to make tomato chutney. I have taken 5 tomatoes, sesame seeds, green chilies, jeera, tamarind, garlic, chana dal, adad dal, 1 dry chili, curry leaves, oil, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, rye. Take a frying pan and let the pan to get heated up. Add 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds and dry roast it. Roast sesame seeds for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the sesame seeds are roasted. Let us take it in a plate and keep it aside. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil in the same pan and add 3 to 4 largely chopped green chilies. And let it fry in the oil for some time. Let us fry this green chilies for 2 minutes. Now the green chilies are completely fried. Let us keep it aside in a plate. In the same pan, add 2 spoons of oil and add 5 finely chopped tomatoes and mix it. Let us add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, and let the tomatoes fry until they become soft. It takes at least 3 to 4 minutes for tomatoes to become soft. Now the tomatoes have become soft and they are ready. I am going to turn off the stove and let the tomatoes cool. Take the roasted sesame seeds into a grinding jar and add green chilies, garlic, tamarind, half teaspoon of jeera, and little bit of salt. Let us grind it. Make sure do not add water while grinding. Now let us add cool tomatoes into the same jar and grind it again. After grinding, take the fine paste of chutney in the same pan. Now we are going to season this chutney. Place another pan for seasoning and add 4 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get heated up. Now I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of rye, half teaspoon of urad dal, half teaspoon of chana dal, and 1 dry chilli into this oil. Let it fry in oil for few seconds. Let us turn off the stove and add curry leaves into the oil. Now I am going to add this oil into the chutney. After adding the oil, let us mix it well. Now our tomato chutney is ready to serve. You can serve it with dosa, chapati or hot rice. Let us take this chutney in a serving bowl. Yummy tomato chutney is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel.